Hello, this is my work, and I'm going to tell you what did I do. Well, first of all, the problem said that in order to buy a car, Andrew asks for a loan of $10,000 payable during 3 years with semi-annual payments and an interest rate of 12% compounded semi-annually. And then we had that we must find the amount of every payment and the amortization table. Here we have the data. P we have that is 10,000 because it's the principal is the loan, and which is the time 3 years. You say during 3 years. P is 2 because it's semi. So in a year we have 2 payments, and the interest rate it's 12%, which it's gonna be. I didn't put it here. It's 0.12. So here is the formula, and the formula gives us the principal, which it will be the loan. So, but we have this to calculate R, which is the payment. So we have to dejar. I don't know how to say it in English, and it will be like that, like this formula. So we have to substitute the values, and I already have the answer here, which is gonna be 2033.62. And we go to our amortization table, which I already had it here. It's this one. The initial balance we saw that it was 10,000 and the rent was 2033, which there are 6 payments because it's 3 years and 2 payments for each year. So 6 payments, sorry. And here we have the interest, which is B2, the initial balance, times 0.12 over 2. And this is the interest. And the rent minus the interest will be the amortization. And amortization and the initial balance minus amortization, it will be the final balance. So the initial balance of the next period will be the final balance of the last period. And I did this 6 times, and at the end we have that we're missing $314.48 missing. So yeah, this is the first one. And we have the second one, which is a debt of 500,000 has to be paid in 5 years with an annual payments at an interest rate of 8% compounded monthly. Find the amount of every payment and the amortization table. Like the last, it's the same. The P is the loan, so it's 500,000, and the time 5 years. P compound, which is monthly. So in a year we have 12 months, so 12 payments. I 8%, and it's gonna be 0.08. And the same, here we have the same formula. Is already despejada. I don't know how to say it. And we have to substitute the values of that equation. It's gonna be like that, like this one. And I already have the answer, which is 10,138.48 19. So this is gonna be the payments, the rent. And we have, like, because it's 5 years and 12 payments of each year, 12 times 5 is 60. So we have here 60 payments. There you go. So we have the initial balance is 500,000 and the rent 10,138.19. And to the rent, we have to minus it the interest, which is gonna be the initial balance times 0.08 over 12. And this is the interest. So the rent minus the interest will be the amortization. And the initial balance minus the amortization will be the final balance. And the final balance will be the initial balance of the next period. And we do the same thing. Yeah. And at the end, we have to do this 60. Well, the Excel do it for us. So at the end, we're missing $0.52. And that's the two problems. I hope to get 100. Bye-bye.